Bloody Magic here. We will be doing some fireworks because it is 4th of July and we can't go anywhere. So let's see this. Let's see this. Let's see this, people.
Guys, watch out!
Oh, that's like burning on there.
I bet you it's gonna explode.
It smells horrible.
It's gonna explode. How much? This one will explode. Look.
Oh my. That is big.
Better fireworks. Oh God.
Way too big.
Woo. Oh, it smells.
Yeah, it smells like tires.
Now it smells like duck food.
Oh, it keeps on going. Oh, Jesus. That is different. Bro, that was weird. That was just weird.
Yo, call some people.
We have to get the witnesses on that. What do you think?
They retarded.
That's rude. Okay. Let's go back on this.
Chcecie podpalić? Kto chce podpalić?
Me.
No to ten, pojedynczo. Tam to ten, no chcesz podpalić?
I don't want to do this.
No Kasia, dlaczego to takie masz?
What happened?
Ooh, can I do it?
I don't know how to.
Alright, give
that light button thing.
Do you know how to do it?
Yeah, you just like take it off, I guess. You right this one?
Yeah. Don't stand that close.
I can do this.
Give me. Let me do it.
Yeah, I'm not good at this.
Die.
I wish I knew how to do that. Oh, run everyone!
Run!
It's gonna be a big explosion.
I'm up.
Oh!
That's the kid.
Nagrywasz marker?
Wow. Oh, it's like the other one that came. Wow.
You should be used for Christmas. Yeah. This is like all Christmas colors.
That's it!
Yeah, can I knock that can over with all that gunpowder in there?
Weź do drugiej ręki i przewróć troszeczkę, tak?
Jak co?
Podpal i postaw, nie bój się.
Yeah.
And right here we also have Marcel Zywa, a new YouTuber. Check out his channel.
Christmas! Why are there always Christmas lights?
This one is not as powerful, but it's still something, right?
Also, you want to light one? Yeah.
What a trick! That was
I didn't know that was a trick. I always thought it would be small.
unexpected.
Wait, they're doing it there.
What do you think, witness?
No to podpalaj.
Hey,
That was good. A TNT.
that was good. Oh, that's it. That's it.
It was like so.
Really?
Run! Run!
What? Oh! If you heard that big fire thingy, that was another rocket. Fireworks. Cannot show you. Just what? It zoomed too fast. Here comes another one. This one. Oh God! Step away from this. Oh geez. It's like mini fireworks.
I bet that one is gonna be.
I just like did 3 fireworks because I didn't want to like.
3 fireworks, my friend. What are you?
I have 7 subscribers.
Tam jeszcze
Pretty
są
cool.
dolane.
Wait, I'm gonna show them your channel.
Nie wychodź na ulicę, uważaj.
Marcel, what? Marcel Zywa, right there. See that logo? I think you're gonna find it. Look, right there, up there. 7 subscribers. You should
Baby
subscribe.
fireworks. No. Rain it. I know water. I know.
Wow, it's not the
Brawo!
biggest, but still. What happened to you?
Małe. Nie, małe.
I put myself so bad. With what? Got this.
Is that it?
Where'd you gunpowder?
Okay, we have more. If you thought this was it, which I did. We have these very small ones, which will be lighted soon.
Look at your hands. Touch it. No, rub them.
What are you doing with that?
It makes your hands a different color when you touch.
Yeah, I see that. Then don't touch it. Pretty simple. So they are figuring some things out.
My hands
To
are
do
dirty.
gorbacia.
Okay, I uploaded my video.
Tata, look at my hands.
And
I'm
no
touching
one's on
fireworks.
Don't touch it.
Did you ever see?
No, I never tried to
Oh
touch
my. Look at those little tiny pieces.
it. No,
That
Look
little
at
grenade is
Martha,
gonna
look at
so
these little
big.
pieces.
it's so disgusting.
What is
It
that
smells
happening
like
there?
it smells horrible.
Oh, they have the same thing.
Because
Really?
of gunpowder in them.
Here goes.
Guys, back up.
It's gonna be strong. Oh my.
It's gonna start popping. So
What a surprise.
wow.
What happened to the things around the edge?
No, we have like one more package left.
Why you have pink lips? What did you do?
To odpal tamto Nolonek.
I think someone put it in their blood.
Did you do
These are just small ones.
Nie ma jeszcze tej?
Going on with these now.
Zapalniczek?
Wait, can I do
That's it? Oh my. That's very powerful for just a small firework.
O, odpaliło się. Sama się odpaliła. Uważaj, no.
It's on fire.
A co te mają takie małe kurwa
The
rakiety?
small ones, they're literally
Te
firing.
małe rakietki to są.
Wait, can I turn?
Well,
You
this
better
has,
run. These small ones are gonna fire stuff out.
really? You really gonna go that far?
Nie, no dajże mu odpalić.
Anna, watch the fireworks.
Ale mam tyle domów do mieszkania.
Going on the other side.
Łe!
Really? That's
Dałem, uważaj.
Łe! Ja kurwa na tym, na miocie, przed domem.
oh my.
I told you guys to run.
Tylko uważaj, watch your ankle, watch your ankle. They don't grow back.
And that was just that was sad. Well, you've seen the end of this. Well, goodbye, YouTube.